Electrical conductance quantities. What is ampere? SI unit of electric current is ampere. What is coulomb? The unit of quantity of electricity is coulomb. SI unit of electric current is ampere. The unit of quantity of electricity is measured in terms of coulomb. What is coulomb? When 1 ampere current is passed for 1 second, then the quantity of current passed is 1 coulomb. 1 ampere current for 1 second, then the quantity of current passed is 1 coulomb. That is Q is equal to I into T, called coulomb. Next one is, what is Ohm's law? The definition of Ohm's law. When the temperature remains constant, the strength of the flow of electric current through a conductor directly proportional to potential difference between 2 points and inversely proportional to the resistance of the conductor. What is resistance here? The hindrance offered by the conductor for the flow of electric current is called resistance. So, when the temperature remains constant or at constant temperature, the strength of current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to potential difference, inversely proportional to resistance R. Thereby, I is proportional to V and I is inversely proportional to R. We can write it as I is equal to V by R. V in volts, I in ampere and R in ohms. Can also be written as V is equal to Ri. Next one is the term called specific resistance. What is resistance? I already said the hindrance offered by the conductor for the flow of electric current is called resistance. Now we are going to define what is specific resistance. The resistance measured in terms of ohm offered by the material of the conductor for the flow of electric current through its directly proportional to the length and inversely proportional to area of cross section. For consider 1 meter cube of a material. For that, the resistance of the conductor directly proportional to the length of the conductor, inversely proportional to the area of cross section. In the form of equation, we can write that relation as R is equal to rho into L by A. Here, the constant rho is called specific resistance measured in ohms. So, what is specific resistance? The resistance measured in terms of ohm or the material of the conductor directly proportional to the length of the conductor, inversely proportional to the area of cross section. In this relation, the constant term is called specific resistance. Unit of specific resistance is ohm meter. Next one is the term called specific conductance. What is specific conductance? Reciprocal of specific resistance is specific conductance. We already seen what is specific resistance. Here in this, the reciprocal of specific resistance is called specific conductance. Reciprocal of specific resistance is called specific conductance. The value of specific conductance measured as a unit kappa, looks like K, called kappa. The kappa is defined as conductance of 1 meter cube of an electrolyte. Kappa, specific conductance, equal to the inverse of specific resistance, that is 1 by R is equal to 1 by rho is equal to 1 by R into L by A. Next one is, what is the unit of specific conductance? Now here, the unit of specific conductance is ohm power minus 1 meter power minus 1. How it came is, here the kappa is 1 by R into L by A. The specific resistance measured in ohm, the inverse of specific resistance, that is ohm power minus 1. Here length measured in meter and A measured in area of cross section measured in meter squared. Thereby meter by meter squared will give you m power minus 1. So, ohm power minus 1, meter power minus 1 is the unit of specific conductance. This ohm power minus 1 can also be written as mho. Ohm power minus 1 can also be written as mho. So, it can be also written as mho meter power minus 1. The unit of specific conductance can also be written as mho meter power minus 1. Next one is the 1 mho is equal to 1 Siemens. So, the specific conductance unit can also be written as in Siemens quantity Sm power minus 1. So, what are all the unit of specific conductance? The different form of the unit of specific conductance is ohm power minus 1, meter power minus 1 or mho meter power minus 1 or Sm power minus 1. So, in general, the conductance is specific conductance is the reciprocal of specific resistance. The term called cell constant. What is cell constant? G star. When electric current flow through a conductor, here the L is called length of the conductor, A is called area of cross section of a conductor. Thereby the cell constant is L by A. L is measured in meter, A is measured in meter square, thereby the cell constant unit is meter power minus 1. Here the specific conductance kappa include the term cell constant L by A. Thereby it can be defined as specific conductance is equal to cell constant into conductance, cell constant into conductance, or otherwise it can be also called as kappa specific conductance equal to cell constant by resistance, cell constant by resistance. So, what is cell constant and how it can be relate with the specific conductance value?